Welcome to Discovering Natural. I've been pretty much doing hair all day long and I'm sure you guys have been seeing the videos, but today is now my turn. Now it's my turn to do my hair, and I'm going to be using a new product that I've never heard of until recently, and it is called Wonder Curls. Right here, I love the packaging. I'm a sucker for black, black, and I'm a sucker for nice, clean packaging, and I just love the packaging of this product. Very simple, and all the products, they come in this jar, the ones that I was sent, and I was sent this product by Scarlett Rocart, and from Wonder Curls. And their products are all vegan, so yeah, so that's how I got the product. Their products are all vegan. This is the hair cleanser. Right over here is the Detoxifying Clay Cleanser. You can see it over there, and this is what it looks like. So on the inside, you will never think it's a clay because it's just creamy looking. See, creamy looking, and it's pretty thick. Okay, so I finished wetting my hair, and I am going to start applying the Detoxifying Clay Cleanser. Now this clay cleanser, I don't know why I don't have my camera and my glasses on, but I'll leave the ingredient information somewhere down below. I hope so. Okay, so this is the clay, and this is the consistency. To me, it looks so much like a cream. See, it's a cream. It doesn't smell like anything. It really doesn't smell like anything. Let's start applying it to my hair and let me see how my hair likes it. See? Oh, and I am low porosity, if you guys don't know. So I'm working in sections. I'm going to apply it, and according to this product line, they said that you can actually, you can actually detangle your hair with it. So I'm going to take small sections of my hair. Let's clip it away, and then I will try detangling my hair with the product. So just remember, if you guys haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel, because we bring out valuable information for you and your kids, and for your hair. It feels really, really creamy. I would never think this was a clay, for real, because you know clays always have like really earthy feel to it, but this feels almost like a deep conditioner. So let's see. This is lovely. It's lovely. Yeah, it's lovely. So where can you find this product? People might ask me. You can pretty much find it at wondercurl.com. So you see, as I'm applying it, I can detangle my hair, and it has excellent sleep. Next thing I'm going to do now is, after using the mask, so they said after using the mask you're supposed to rinse it. So I'm going to jump over to the bucket, the red bucket, and I'm going to rinse it off and come back. And the next thing we're going to do is we're going to apply the restoring hair treatment. This is what it looks like. Okay, so I finished rinsing my hair, and yeah, it does remove the dirt. I saw the dirt coming off. Let me remove this, and I'm gonna zoom for you all to see my hair. Okay, let me know. Did you guys see any dirt? Did you? It feels clean. My hair does feel clean, but it doesn't feel stripping, if you understand what I mean, right? So this is the consistency. It's thick. This thing is thick. It's not, look at it. I'm dropping it now. Now it drops. Okay, so I'm gonna apply to my hair. Oh, I think I put too much. I'm so heavy-handed. So let's do this. I'm just gonna put it like this. Ooh, remove that shedded hair. I'm gonna put some more. I'm gonna continue doing it like that. So that is it. Being someone with low porosity hair, let's see if the product penetrated into my hair. Well, let's see. It did okay. Okay, so my hair has been fully rinsed, and I'm just kind of removing some water from it, and it still feels soft. it feels soft, but it feels strong at the same time. Something that I expect from something that has protein in it. So the next thing that I'm going to be using now is I'm going to be using they have their sealing hair butter and their jelly. So when you guys, this is the Get Set hair jelly. So when I use products like this, and this is the first time I'm trying it, I don't want to use any other product that I normally use, because right now my hair is saying, girl, put a leave-in conditioner in me. Will I regret this? I don't know. Okay, so I'm just gonna take the butter. This is the butter, it's the butter. It's the butter. Yeah. I'm gonna take the butter and we're going to get closer here. I'm gonna apply the butter to my hair. I was expecting something better, but anyway, let's see what happens. So I'm putting the butter to my ends. I'm gonna do very big chunky twist because it's late right now, it's very late. And then I'm gonna take the setting gel. This is the Get Set hair jelly. It's a gel. Yeah, it's a gel. You see that? Yeah. Oh, this is the only one that smells. This butter doesn't smell. This has a perfumey smell. Like, I can't pinpoint what is this smell. It's like something you can use like a perfume on your body. It has aloe vera. So this is actually aloe vera juice. It has some other stuff. It has glycerin again. So how would that do? And then it has fragrance. And you're using gels. Make sure you put it on your root very well. I'm putting it on my root very well. And look at that. Okay, let's see the poppage. This is it. This is one twist down. I think about 8 more to go. So, okay, I'm going to go to bed now. I'm going to see how many days it will take for this to dry so that I can show you the result of the chunky twist out. So, hi everyone. You cannot believe it. It has been 4 days. It's Thursday now. I did my hair on Sunday. So, for 4 days or so since I put this twist in my hair using the Wonder Curls. And I used, as you know, I used the sealing hair butter, and then after that I used their curl jelly, which of course this isn't. So I used the Get Set hair jelly on top of that. And let me just tell you, so it took 2.5 days for my hair to dry. For the products to set in, and my hair was white for like a day and a half, and then the rest of the time I was just waiting for it to get dry. And to let you know, this might not happen to you, but I am low porosity, and low porosity hair, my hair takes forever to dry. So we're gonna undo this twist. It looks as if it will be set, but it feels really hard, and maybe I used too much. And if you can see right there, let's do a close-up of it. Okay, you can see it's really separating well, but still, because it's hard, I'm getting some freeze right over there. You see how it's freezing? So this is what my hair looks like without really fluffing it much. The curls are really popping. I mean, yeah. But the thing that I feel is that I feel that if I had left it, you know, like started did the twist out the second day after it had dried, you know, I would have not had all this freeze. So I don't know if you guys can see over here. You see all the freeze right over here. It's so freezy. And also I noticed, I don't know if you all can see it, I noticed that I have a little bit of flaking hair, and that could just be me being heavy-handed. Yeah, so this is the product. Have you guys ever used this product before? Would you like me to do another combination using these products? Let me know. I look forward to checking it out, and I look forward to sharing with you more information. If you have any product that you want me to review, let me know, and I'll see you in another video. Thanks for watching. Bye.